students who are preparing for UPSC optional usually are confused with what optional to pick. Now, there is a very important thing that you must remember and know here. The thing is that students usually go by toppers interviews where they read that this student took this subject, this optional as a topper, and most of the students who actually performed well in UPSC picked up the following optionals. So these are running scoring optionals, or these are the optional provided by various institutions, so I can get a mentorship on those optionals and I should go for these optionals. But understand, there is a very huge difference between the popularity chart and the real success chart, right? Why I'm saying so? The simple reason is, obviously, if there is one subject where 1000 students are appearing for the examination, 1% of that gets selected, so there are 10 students who would qualify. On the other hand, there is another optional where only 100 students appear for it, but of that 10% gets selected, that is one student gets selected from that subject. Obviously you would hear less about that subject. Now this is the basic demarcation, but overall success, if we say, is across all subjects or all optionals. So it's very important to understand that it's not just one optional that would help you secure better or get better marks into mains, but ultimately the success is earned more hard work you put in whatever optional you take. It's really important that you have good knowledge, good depth on that subject, and ultimately there is no reason that you won't succeed. It's not by the choice of subjects that you would be able to secure well. And also, don't panic if you are not able to secure well in your first attempt with one of the subjects, because if you do that, you are having a tendency to switch the subject, which would ultimately lead to your failure in your second attempt as well. So we would be covering that in a separate video, a separate lecture, but the basic idea is, across all subjects, any subject you pick for your UPSC optional, you have to be confident that you have good knowledge and good command on that subject, and then there is no reason that one subject would help you score better than other. There is a complete proportional selection ratio across all subjects as given by UPSC. Thanks for joining. Of course, we'll be covering many interesting topics on UPSC. Stay tuned.